magical mystery bead box. I love Jessie James beads. Okay, so this is my February magical mystery bead box. This is the first one I'm sharing with you, but I have been subscribed to these for the past maybe 5 to 6 months. So my magical mystery bead box for February, let's see what's in it. I did cut it open, but I haven't opened it. So the theme of this month is the Tropical Paradise, February 2022, and the magical mystery bead box. What's inside? Bead strand duo in Island in the Sun, mini bead mix in Pretty Flamingo, rattan earring components, a metal clasp set, mini bead mix in Girl from Ipanema, Paradise Parrots pendants duo. Ooh, say that 5 times real fast. Paradise seed bead mix, and tropical chain reaction. I love chain reaction. And it just says Jessie James bead and hashtag Jessie James and hashtag mystery bead box. That's probably how you can find them if you search those hashtags on Facebook, on all of the social media sites, Pinterest, TikTok, all of them that you're on. You'll be able to find Jessie James beads with those hashtags. So let's see what is in the box. So we have, I think I need to go out just a little bit. There we go. So we have look how pretty. Look how pretty that is. Oh my God, and they're just so shiny. And these are actually, I believe, polymer clay. I just love that they make them out of, I think that's another thing that attracts me to them, is the beads that they have made out of polymer clay. And oh my God, they just mix so well with all the other gemstones and glass beads. It's just beautiful. Just look at that. Look at that rondelle. That's so pretty. I don't know if that's called a rondelle, but maybe a spacer. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, and now we have Girl from Ipanema. Oh my gosh, look at that. Let me open this. It took an act of Congress for me to get this open. But this is the Girl from Ipanema. And it is a beautiful bead mix. Just beautiful. Look at that. So colorful. It makes me long for summertime. We have flower bead caps in there. Some gold spacers. We have some other gold caps. I love their rhinestone spacers. They're just so shiny and beautiful. Look at that. Dangle bead. So much good stuff. And look at these cute parrots. Look at him. Him so cute. Him is just so cute. Let me pick it up to get it to you so you can see. I won't pick it all up because I don't want to. So much good stuff in there. We got some little pearls in there, but look at that mix. Just beautiful. Oh, I just love it. That is a nice mix of beads right there. Again, we have the Island in the Sun right here. We have some of my favorite items in the world, which is chain reaction. In the gold, I don't do much in gold. I find this is gonna make me start, because their chain reaction is just beautiful. Start stocking up the gold, but only in Jessie James gold findings, and everything that I'm getting in these mixes and everything is amazing. And we have some silver chain reaction with the emerald faceted beads on there. Beautiful. And the thing about the chain reaction is, when I first saw it, I just looked at it as, oh, there is a chain and I'll put something on the end of it. you know, but as I looked around and watched other creators creating with it, I've seen the ladies take pieces of this and use them in an earring or something like that. So many things you can do with this chain besides use it as chain. So we have that chain reaction. Look at this rattan earring components. These are like already made earrings. All you have to do is put your hooks on them. Very, very nice. I do want to open them up because I want to feel them. Just one. Oh, they're made so well. They are made so well. I love these. I absolutely love that. Love it, love it, love it. And we also have Kokomo. Let's see how some of this mix looks. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's a beautiful mix. Look at those little beads with the, I guess this is an AB rhinestone. Beautiful. I love that. Okay, I love that. And it's more than a little bit in there. That little bag is chock full of beads. And next we have some seed bead mix, the Paradise seed bead mix. Those are beautiful colors. I think I have these already, but there's nothing wrong with getting more. And the Paradise Parrots, this can be, I mean, these are like already ready-made earrings. Those are leather. They feel like they're on leather. Let's open it up and see. They feel really soft. So they're not wood or anything like that. I think they're like printed on leather. And it is. It is. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that. These are pendants, but shoot. Oh, yeah, you can get away with earrings too, because we got the same print on one side, on each side. Yep, see? These are nice. I don't think I have anything like this. I don't have anything like that at all. Very interesting, very nice. And my wheels are turning, trying to figure out how I would work with these, whether they would just become earrings or I could really make them into a pendant, you know, necklace. That's gonna be fun. And we have the pretty flamingo. Oh my god, and there's actually a pretty flamingo in this bag. There is actually a pretty flamingo in the bag. That's what it's called, pretty flamingo. And there's one in here. Look at him or her. Oh my god, and she's perched up on a pearl. Isn't that amazing? Oh my god, this could be turned into a pin, you know, to put on your jacket or something like that. It does have a bell on it. That is amazing. And look at the stuff that came with her. She has more pearls, a flower, these beautiful beads. Oh my god, Jessie James, I just love y'all. Oh, I love y'all so much. That is amazingly cute. I'm not gonna try to put that in the bag because of the flamingo. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So cute. And our last bag, I want to cry because it's the last bag, is a clasp set. And I've gotten these sets before and I love how different they are with the clasp. Look at that. And then that's the attachment for it. That one's pretty big. It would go on a necklace. I can't see it being on a bracelet, but definitely on a necklace clasp. And look at that. This is a magnetic one. That's magnetic. And we have, this is also a magnetic piece, a magnetic clasp. in a rose. That's so cute, so cute. Well, that is it. And then we have this strand also that's called Surf Rider, and it is absolutely beautiful. A beautiful strand of beads. That's polymer clay right there. I think that's polymer clay, and it's covered with little beads. Beautiful. Just love it. So that is my February magical mystery bead box. And I think it always is a mystery as what you're going to get in the Jessie James box. But they have named it so appropriately because it is magic in a box. It really is. It is just absolutely magic. So there it is. So let's see what we're going to do with this in the near future. Thank you for watching. And if you want to get you an addiction going to Jessie James Beads with their magical mystery bead box, I will have the information in my description box below and in my comment section for easy access. All you have to do is click on the link to jessejamesbeads.com. Thank you, and I will see you guys later. Love ya. Bye-bye.